Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm gonna show you guys how to fix a leaky drain valve on your inflatable boat, like that one. Yep. A fellow viewer actually asked me, if I knew of a way to fix the leaky valve, and I told him that yes. Unfortunately, leaky valves tend to be a normal scenario across different brands from Saturn, Briss, Aleco. I've heard of many of people that told me that sometimes they get a leaky valve, and I've had a few of them from Saturn. It's not tied up to a specific brand. I don't want you guys to feel like, oh man, this specific brand sucks. No, it's not that. It's across the board. But thankfully, there's easy and quick and inexpensive ways of fixing it. Let's get to it. Okay. So the first way of doing it is, first, the leak usually gets through this sections, the outer layer, because it's not by the drain valve itself. The drain valve is actually tied up by friction. No water goes through it, but the water does seep in from these corners. First thing you want to do is take out the valve itself, the little plug. Take a rug with some alcohol. You want to clean the surrounding area. Make sure it's clean and dry, like so. Because we're going to use some glue. You want to make sure it sticks. That's the plan. Dry it up a bit. There we go. It's nice and dry. Now, again, the most inexpensive way of doing it is if you purchase your inflatable boat brand new, chances are you're going to have one of these little repair kits. Inside the repair kit, you're going to have some patches and some glue like this. The idea is you take this little glue, you put a small layer around it. You can take a small little brush. I'm using an old toothbrush. The idea is to spread it around evenly. That's the plan. What you're gonna do, you're gonna put one layer, then you're going to let it dry for 10 minutes and do 2 more of those. You will leave it to dry overnight to make sure that by the next day it's really there. There will be no more leaks. But if you don't happen to have the glue itself, there's another way of doing it. Very inexpensive too. The other most inexpensive way of doing this is to get yourself your regular standard heavy duty bathroom, kitchen, bath, and plumbing sealing. You clean the area with the alcohol. Make sure it's dry. You place some layers around it like so. You don't have to be so perfect about it, but once you actually have a good layer, you do the best to spread it around the corners so it's as even as possible. You can use your fingers if you want. Use your painter skills. I'm not much of a painter myself, but I can make this work. Until you fill in all the gaps. You want to make sure that all the gaps are filled. You're going to have some excess. As you can see, you're going to have a little bit of excess. But you do that, you make sure that all the edges are covered. You let that dry for 24 hours. No more leaks. That's it. Inexpensive, easy, simple, no big mess, no big issue. Not spending a lot of money, it gets done. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. That's how you fix a leaky valve. See you guys around. Bye.